T.T.T.32. Count with your fingers. John's each hand has 5 fingers. Even more amazing is that when he was a child, he already had 5 fingers. At that time, he often counted the number by using his fingers. He's counting this way. So the question is, when John's counting to number n, which is the corresponding finger task, complete the function which accepts an integer and returns the name of the finger on which the counting will end: thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, or little finger. And this is the example. The function uses an array with a length of 8 and an index for each key on the keyboard. The members of the array stand in for the fingers that presses the keys. The first element represents the finger that presses key 0. The second element represents the finger that presses key 1, and so forth. The bitwise AND operator, with 7, is used by the function to determine the input's n's remainder when divided by 8. This makes sure that the input value always falls within the array's valid range. The element of the array at the determined index, which indicates the finger used to press the associated key, is then returned by the function.